Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 1, Lesson 9. Last time we met adjectives, which describe nouns. Today we meet their busy partner, the word that describes almost everything else, the adverb. Now, the adverb, the adjective's busy partner. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, making its meaning more specific. Most often, it describes a verb. The runner finished quickly. The word quickly modifies the verb finished, telling us how he finished. Without it, we just know he finished. With it, we know exactly how. That is an adverb's job, sharpening the meaning of the word it attaches to. Here's what makes adverbs interesting. They can modify 3 different kinds of word. 1. A verb, finished quickly, where quickly describes the action. 2. An adjective. Kate is very nervous. Here, very modifies the adjective nervous, telling us how nervous she is. And 3. Another adverb. She spoke quite softly, where quite modifies the adverb softly. So an adverb can attach to a verb, an adjective, or a fellow adverb. But notice, never to a noun. Describing a noun is the adjective's job. The adverb handles everything else. Adverbs answer 4 handy questions, and knowing them helps you spot one fast. How? She spoke softly. Softly tells how. When? They left yesterday. Yesterday tells when. Where? Sit here. Here tells where. And to what degree, or how much. He was very tired. Very tells the degree. So whenever a word answers how, when, where, or to what degree, you're almost certainly looking at an adverb. Here's a helpful clue. Many adverbs end in ly. Words like quickly, softly, eagerly, and suddenly. But the ly clue comes with 2 traps. Trap 1. Not every ly word is an adverb. Friendly, lonely, and lovely all end in ly, yet they describe nouns, a friendly dog, so they're actually adjectives. Trap 2. Plenty of adverbs have no ly at all. Words like not, never, here, soon, very, and fast. By the way, that means not and never are adverbs too. So use ly as a hint, never as a guarantee, and always check the job the word is doing. Like adjectives, adverbs can also make comparisons in 3 degrees. The positive is the plain adverb, fast or carefully. The comparative compares 2, faster or more carefully. And the superlative compares 3 or more, fastest or most carefully. Notice the pattern. Short adverbs add er and est, but the ly adverbs almost always use more and most. So you'd say more carefully, never carefullier. It's the same comparison idea you learned for adjectives, now applied to adverbs. Here's a neat feature unique to adverbs. They are movable. The same adverb can often slide to different spots in a sentence without breaking it. Quickly, she ran home. She quickly ran home. She ran home quickly. All 3 work perfectly. That flexibility is a great test. If you can move a word around the sentence and it still makes sense, it's very likely an adverb. An adjective, glued tight to its noun, simply can't roam like that. Let's put it together. She spoke quite softly to the very nervous child. 3 adverbs hitting all 3 targets. Softly modifies the verb spoke, how she spoke. Quite modifies the adverb softly, to what degree softly. And very modifies the adjective nervous, how nervous. A verb, an adverb, and an adjective, all in one sentence. So spot the adverb, then simply ask what it's modifying. Let's practice. In each sentence, pick the adverb, the word telling how, when, where, or to what degree. Pause and try before I answer. The driver turned the steering wheel sharply. Which word tells how? Sharply. It modifies turned. So the answer is sharply. The children eagerly awaited the show. Eagerly tells us how they awaited it. That's the adverb. So the answer is eagerly. Myra suddenly saw the spider. Suddenly tells us how and when she saw it, modifying the verb saw. So the answer is suddenly. Now decide what the capitalized adverb modifies: a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Pause and try each. Kim gazed lovingly at her little sister. Lovingly tells how she gazed, and gazed is a verb, so it modifies a verb. That extremely clean car belongs to Ms. Salvatore. Extremely tells us how clean, and clean is an adjective, so it modifies an adjective. Masu spoke rather shyly. Rather tells us to what degree, how shyly, and shyly is itself an adverb, so it modifies another adverb. Let's bring it together. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, but never a noun, and it answers how, when, where, or to what degree. Many adverbs end in ly, but watch the traps. Words like friendly and lovely are adjectives, while not, never, and here are ly-free adverbs. Spot the adverb, then ask what it modifies. Great work. In Lesson 10, we move to the connecting words that show relationships, prepositions.